Welcome to how to use STYLPRO facial cleansing device. First, you want to use the cable provided and plug into the hole next to where it says DC. You may need to pierce the film and that is totally fine. 2 LED lights will flash blue when it's charging. Pop the ring onto your middle finger for stability when using. A short press on the on button will turn the device on and 2 blue lights will flash to indicate it's on. Your vibration will then start. There are 3 vibration settings on the device. There is a plus and a minus next to the on button, and these will turn the vibrations both up and down. Once you're happy with your vibration setting, you can then apply your cleanser onto the device and lightly glide over the face. Once in contact, if you're not happy with your vibration setting, feel free to change as you go. This product can be used all over the face, down the neck area and across the décolleté area. Once you are finished using your device, simply turn it off, rinse with water, pat, and then you can hang to dry. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other questions, please email teamtom@styleideas.com.